4 months of study plan. In month 1, we have to study 12 units. Okay, what are the chapters covering in that 12 units we have to study? All 3 subjects, physics, chemistry, biology, every 4 weeks of the month. First week, in physics, electrostatics. In chemistry, basics of organic chemistry, hydrocarbons and halides. In biology, diversity of living organisms up to plant kingdom. We can't able to cover whole plant kingdom and animal kingdom in a week. So, we have to split it into 2. We can study the animal kingdom in the upcoming weeks. Okay. Second week. In physics, magnetism. In chemistry, hydrocarbons, chemistry in everyday life. In biology, reproduction. Third week. In physics, current, electricity. In chemistry, organic chemistry, aldehydes, ketones, ether. In biology, cell structure and functions. Fourth week. In physics, mechanic units and dimensions. In chemistry, polymers and organic compounds containing nitrogen. In biology, human welfare. These are the 12 units of the month. Fifth week, physics, law of motion, chemistry, mole, concept and state of matter. In biology, structure, organization in plants and animals. Sixth week, in physics, modern physics and optics. In chemistry, solutions, solid state, equilibrium. Seventh week, in physics, kinematics and work, energy, power. In chemistry, atomic structure. In biology, human physiology. Human physiology has 7 chapters in it. Okay, so we can split it into 4 for the 7th week and 3 for the upcoming week. Okay, 8th week. In physics, gravitation, mechanics of solid and liquid. In chemistry, chemical kinematics and surface chemistry. In biology, biotechnology. Third month study plan. 9th week. In physics, atomic, nucleus and semiconductors. In chemistry, chemical bonding. In biology, animal kingdom. 10th week. In physics, thermodynamics, kinetics, theory and property of motion. In chemistry, D block and F block elements. In biology, plant physiology. 11th week. In physics, mechanics, oscillation and waves. In chemistry, P block element. In biology, ecology. 12th week. In physics, electromagnetic waves and communication system. In chemistry, classification of elements, S block elements, hydrogen and its compounds. In biology, human physiology, the remaining 3 chapters. 4th month, we have to do only revision and mock test. In the 3 months, 12 weeks, we have to study, practice, analyze.